Alright, I'm going to teach you guys how to play Seven Nation Army by White Stripes. So we're going to start off on the E string, which is the bottom string. And I start by playing open E 2 times. And then I push the 3rd fret down. And then I lift it off. That's the first part of the song. Let's listen to that again. And one more time. The next thing I do is I switch strings. So now I'm on the B string. And notice I'm using my ring finger here. And I'm going to use my index finger when I go to the 1st fret. So on the B string, my thumb's on the B string too. I go 3rd fret, 1st fret, and then open. And that's mainly the whole song. So let's go back to the very beginning. Starting on the E string, open, open, 3rd fret, open, switch strings to the B string, 3rd fret, 1st fret, and then open. Then I'm going to go back to the E string and do that exact same thing again. E string, open, 3rd fret, switch to the B string. So I went 3, 1, and then open B. Now, that part repeats a lot of times. And then when I get to the bum, 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 that's on the G string. So 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to pluck that 8 times open. See that string vibrating? And then 2nd fret on the G string. And then go back to the beginning. B string, 3rd fret, 1st fret, open. Except it does something a little bit different this next time. O, O, 3, O. Then on the B string, it does 3, 1, 3, 1, open. So that's a little tricky, but it's not that hard. You just kind of go back and forth from the 3rd fret to the 1st fret. Again, on the B string. 3, 1, 3, 1, open. So now, start from the very beginning. E string, 3rd fret, switch to the B string, 3, 1, open. And we repeat that 2 more times. E string, 3, O, B string. I'll do it one more time. E string, B string. I'm going to do that part where it goes bum, 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 bum. So that's on the G string. And then 2nd fret G string. And then it goes back to the normal part. B string, 3, 1, O. But this time is where I do that fancy thing. O, O, 3, O. Here it is. 3, 1, 3, 1, open. So hopefully that's helpful for you as you do Seven Nation Army by White Stripes.